Something really easy with AutoCAD when it comes to dimensions. There is a command that you can use and it tells you its dimension automatically. You don't have to select it from both ends so it could give it to you. First of all, let's go ahead and choose a custom model view of restrooms. Okay, we have these restrooms. I'm gonna zoom in for the first one, and on annotate panel I'm gonna choose this one. Creates multiple types of dimensions with a single command session. Okay, I'm gonna select it, and as I go and choose this, you see how it snaps and gives the dimension for it. I'm going ahead, and when I click on it, it will show exactly even its width, anything related to this object that I selected. Let's go ahead and maybe choose this one. Hit escape a couple of times. You see how it gave it from both ends? What if we wanted to measure the length of this one? You see, even when it's selected, as I hover over it, it will give me some really cool idea of what it can do. But I don't want the radius, I want something else. So as I move it on the side and right click, I want the maybe angular. Okay, when I choose this, you see how amazing it is. It shows you the length of this arc. So there it is. Not the length, sorry, but actually the angle. You see from where, my bad, I thought it was the length of it. Maybe I want to know its radius. Let's go ahead and try. There it is. Okay, so it's actually useless, but I want to show you how it works. I wouldn't use the radius for anything, it's useless, so just wanted to show you. For example, I wanted the length of this arc. Okay, when I go on annotate panel, I see here it's arc length. So here is it. Okay, you see this sign right here? It shows it's the arc length. So you can choose whatever. You can try it all and maybe comment down below just if you have any discussion or any question.